Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I got 2016 Nissan Maxima. We are going to show you how to do a brake jobs, alright? Alright, first step I want you to do is jack up the car. Use your jack stand to be safe, and also to remove the tire lug nuts you have to use 22 millimeter socket. Alright, next thing you want to do is just remove the caliper bolt, one on the bottom, one on the top, using the it's a 14 millimeter socket and ratchet. Okay. There you go, nice and easy. Once loose, you use by your hand, and there's the bolt. Alright, next one is the top one. Good. There you go. Once loose, there you go. Get out. Just like that. Alright, now you don't want to stress out the brake fluid tube, so we just hang the caliper, just like that. There you go. There. There you go. Alright, when the caliper is out, you just remove the brake pads, just like that, and then just take it out, slide them out, and slide this one out, just like that. That's the pad. Alright, when you take out the brake pad, you want to inspect it. I can see there's a lot of padding left. So you can see there's a deep gap here. That means a lot left, okay? So I don't have to change it, I just want to make sure. Just inspect it, and we're gonna put it back afterwards. I want to show you completely how to change it, okay? And we're actually gonna take out the rotor as well. So it's I'm gonna show you the complete job of front brake jobs. So next step you want to do is remove the bracket bolt. One on the bottom, one on the top. So just break it and remove it. Yeah. It's tough. Use your force. There you go. How you do it. If you have a breaker bar, use the breaker bar. Probably much easier for you guys. So that's the bottom one. Nice and easy. Coming out now. So when it's loose, take it out by your finger. Alright, let's make it easier. So that way. Alright, I'm not going to remove it out completely yet. I'm going to leave it there because I'm going to try to break the top one as well. Alright, top one. I left the bottom bolt still in place so it holds the bracket. There you go. And that's the top. Nice and loose, take it out. You can take this out completely and take the bottom out. And then the bracket should come out nice and easy. Okay, now you can remove the bottom one. Just hold the caliper because it's just going to drop basically. There you go. That's a pretty big bolt. And here's the caliper. So once you remove the two bolt and the caliper out and the caliper bracket, you just remove the rotor. Nice and loose, just like that. That is your rotor right there.
And here we have a lost girl drinking pink lemonade.
It's strawberry.
What are you drinking, Sky?
Strawberry lemonade.
And where did you get it from? Dunkin'?
Wendy's.
Wendy's. Did you get me one? You didn't get me one. You know this is going on YouTube?
Cut the cameras.
Alright guys, that is how you do front 2016 Nissan Maxima brake jobs, right? So basically you want to remove the tires, take out the rotors, the 2 pins, and just follow step by step. And it's pretty easy, basic. So enjoy, and thank you for watching Tech Time with T, and you have a good day. Take care.